In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome. In this video, we will explain what an NDC order is, and show you how to create one in Amadeus. NDC stands for New Distribution Capability. It was introduced by the International Air Transport Association to modernize how airlines sell tickets. Before NDC, bookings were split into PNRs, tickets, and EMDs. Now, everything is combined into a single order. This includes passenger details, flights, seats, baggage, and payments. In Amadeus, the traditional command-based process has been replaced with a simpler offers and orders system. Let us begin with Step 1, searching for flights and offers. There are several ways to start an air search. You can go to File and select Air. Open a new booking file from your desktop and click Air Search, or use the panel on the right side of the command page and click the aircraft icon under Show in graphic mode. Once the Air Search window opens, the From and To fields will autofill with your terminal location. In this example, Abu Dhabi. You can change these if needed. The current date is also filled in automatically. There are 4 search options available. We will use the default standard search, which works best in most cases. Make sure All Fares is selected, as this is required for dynamic pricing. The cabin is set to lowest price by default, but you can change it from the drop-down menu. Now let us set up the itinerary. In the Outbound To field, enter your destination. We will use London Heathrow. Select your departure date from the calendar. For this example, April 17, 2026. If you want to limit results to a specific airline, such as Etihad Airways, you can enter it here, otherwise, leave it blank. For the return journey, the From field will autofill with London, and the To field will default to Abu Dhabi. Set the return date to May 15, 2026. In the Passengers section, the default is 1 adult. You can adjust this to add more passengers. In the Fares and Fees section, public and negotiated fares are selected by default. The currency follows your terminal setting, such as AED. You can also apply fare restrictions, include baggage, or withhold taxes if needed. For this example, select the NDC-Only option. If your agency has an NDC promo code, you can enter it here. Once everything is set, click Search. The results will display from lowest to highest price. Click the arrow for all offers, or show more fares to view all prices. To click Expand Options and view any system messages. Results are sorted by price by default, but you can change the sorting. You can apply filters for required criteria. Select Compare All Fares to view offers options side by side. Click Details to check onboard services. Click Trip Details to view flight operational information. You will also see booking classes, cabin type, and baggage allowance. For more details, click Full Baggage Information. Then close the window. You can also review meal options, refund rules, and ticket change policies. For full details, click Full Fare Conditions. This will show rules and penalties for both outbound and inbound flights. To see the fare breakdown, click on the fare amount. Close each window when you are done. Once you are ready, click Select Flight. Take note, NDC offers usually have a 30-minute timer. You must complete the passenger details, including passport information, before the timer expires. Otherwise, the offer will be lost. You will also see a payment time limit. This shows when the order must be issued and paid. In the itinerary section, an NDC tag will confirm your selected offer. Scroll down to Passenger Information. Enter the passenger title, last name, first name, date of birth, and gender. Next, Click Add Travel Documents. Enter the passport details and click Save. A green checkmark will confirm the update. Make sure to add at least one contact detail, such as a phone number or email address. Before the offer expires, review the fare conditions and taxes, if needed. Then save the booking file. Click Book to complete the process. You will now see the confirmation screen with your booking file or PNR, the NDC Order ID, the Airline Record Locator, and the Amadeus Record Locator. Click Save and Confirm ER button to finalize the booking. As you can see, NDC simplifies the booking process. In the next video, we will show you how to retrieve a booking file or an NDC order in Amadeus. Thank you for watching.